Dr. Mehtab Chandi E Sangma, Kakuram Umintri Rangba Kajalao Conrad K Sangma, Hakanok Paisngi Jagar Punyo Tarik Nai Wing Arajar Pusau Kalabam Smai, Khmat Ulampang Kaying Dorba Tauan Kajala, Kum ke MLA Batamai na Gambegre constituency. Dr. Mehtab Kalayo ek Jingjab ke Badan Buram, nak result election MLA Shiteng Samoy, Dakabiyokur, Kat Arajar, Ndriuspa, Nyopu Pravon, Menhak Arpulai Tarik Nai Wing Arajar Arpusau. Dakanik Jingjab ke Dr. Mehtab, ke Jingdan ki MLA ke NPP hayeng dorbar Tauan ke Jala Kalakiu Syaka Laipo Arngut. Ke Mehtab kala job da Saujar Sanspa Kendai Pusau Vote dak watamnya ke Kertong jong ke All India Trinamool Congress ke Sadia Rani Sangma ke Balayok Menkur Prajar Prapusau Vote. Hak jingwan ban bam smai kum ke dekat batamai ke yeng dorbar lawan ban senran ya ke Dr. Mehtab do kurim jongkau ukonrat ki sangma ki sembut menteri rangba ke tau ba preston tensong baruba snyau barang dhar ki menteri sarkar ki MLA ke NPP bekentup nak iwe ki parti ru kumjo. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadian ke jingbam smai ke Dr. Mehtab kala ong baki Kynthei hak san perthai ki Duna bha watlak ya long ringkat hak ban ya trei lang ban kentiu ya ka em lang sa lang.
I Shrimati Mehtab Chandi Agatok Sangma have been elected as member of the Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Agatok Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
It's a little overwhelming job, I think, because politics is something where it's very demanding, so I hope I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people. Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done. I think the issues of the area, the issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I have seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues first. The main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for. I think in general, I've been always saying this, that women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, and I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be part of politics.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.